Sunflowers are not only colorful, but also an important crop in the food and cooking oil industry. Thanks to their high nutritional value, sunflower oil has become a popular choice in many households. Every year, American farmers harvest 2.3 billion pounds of sunflowers for global production and consumption. So, how does the process of growing, harvesting, and processing take place to create drops of pure oil? Let's find out in the video below. In the spring, as the first rays of sunlight warm the ground, farmers begin to prepare for a new crop. After a long winter, the soil needs to be restored and improved to be ready to nurture the seeds. Modern disc plows and cultivators are used to break up compacted soil, remove weeds, and improve soil porosity. This not only helps the soil absorb water and nutrients better, but also creates ideal conditions for strong root growth. After the soil has been prepared, the automatic seeding machines get to work. The sunflower seeds have been treated against pests before sowing, increasing their germination rate and reducing the risk of pests in the early stages. The seeds are placed in large containers and sown in the ground at optimal spacing to ensure even growth. Although sunflowers are a drought-tolerant crop, proper water supply is still key to achieving maximum yield. Modern farms often employ automated irrigation systems that regulate the amount of water according to the actual needs of the crop, avoiding water waste while ensuring vigorous growth. In addition to water, sunflowers also need adequate nutrition to grow healthily. Fertilizers are used at each stage of growth to provide essential minerals to prepare for the flowering stage. To ensure that fertilizers are distributed accurately and effectively, drones are used to spray fertilizers and pesticides with high precision. This not only helps plants absorb the maximum amount of nutrients needed, but also limits the negative impact on the environment due to chemical residues. After about 60-80 days, the first flowers begin to bloom, showing off their brilliant yellow color under the sunlight. This is the most beautiful time of the sunflower field, when a large area of land is dyed in a magnificent golden color. The petals open wide to welcome the sunlight, while the core inside gradually develops and forms seeds. Not only having economic value, sunflowers also play an important role in the ecosystem. Flower fields attract bees and pollinating insects, helping to increase the ability to set seeds and improve the quality of the crop. Farmers often combine beekeeping during this period to support the pollination process and harvest natural honey from sunflowers. When the flowers begin to change from bright yellow to dark brown, it signals the upcoming harvest season, the most important stage of the entire farming cycle. In late summer, the once lush green fields transform into a sea of bright yellow sunflowers, standing tall under the blazing sun. However, as the petals begin to fade, revealing the black seeds inside, it signals that harvest time is near. At this point, giant combines appear, harvesting each flower with precision, ensuring no seeds are spilled. Inside the machine, a powerful seed separator system separates the sunflower seeds and removes the stems. The seeds are transferred into large containers, then dumped directly into trucks and transported to the processing plant. With modern technology, a harvester can process up to 50,000 pounds of sunflower seeds per hour, significantly increasing efficiency and reducing waste. When the bin is full, the seeds are automatically unloaded onto a moving truck, ensuring continuous, seamless harvesting. Upon arrival at the plant, sunflower seeds are automatically inspected for moisture, impurities, and overall quality. They then undergo a multi-stage cleaning process where vibration systems and powerful airflows remove dirt, dry leaves, and broken seeds. This ensures that only the highest quality seeds make it into the processing plant. Next, the sunflower seeds need to be hulled using a mechanical huller, which cracks the hard shell without damaging the kernel inside. The seeds are steamed to soften and break down the cell structure, allowing for more efficient oil extraction. Next, they are fed into a screw press, where high pressure and heat cause the oil to flow through tiny slits and be collected. The remaining residue, called oil cake, is still rich in nutrients and is often used as animal feed or organic fertilizer. Crude oil after pressing still has impurities, so it will continue to be filtered through many stages, such as gum removal, fatty acid neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. Thanks to that, we get drops of golden, delicious, and pure oil. After refining, the sunflower oil is transferred to an automated bottling system. The PET plastic bottles are shaped in-house, then undergo a thorough cleaning process before being fed into an automated filling line, which is filled with the correct amount of oil. Finally, the product is capped, labeled, given a final quality check, and packaged into cardboard boxes ready for shipment to supermarkets, grocery stores, and households around the world. Through the journey of harvesting and producing sunflower oil, we can see that from a small seed to a bottle of pure oil is a process that requires precision, effort, dedication of farmers, and the continuous development of the agricultural industry. If you find this video useful, do not hesitate to leave a comment below. What dishes do you often use sunflower oil in? Share your opinion, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow more interesting content about agriculture. Cotton is one of the main crops grown in the textile industry, providing the raw material for billions of fabrics and clothing products worldwide. Each year, about 3.6 million tons of cotton are harvested from fields across tropical and subtropical regions such as the United States, India, China, and Brazil. So how does cotton get harvested and processed? Let's explore that journey below. Typically, it takes American farmers about 150 to 180 days to care for cotton plants, from sowing seeds to growing, flowering, and forming bolls. When the cotton reaches optimal maturity, the ball shell splits open, revealing the fine white fibers, signaling the arrival of harvest season. Previously, cotton was harvested entirely by hand, requiring workers to meticulously pick each flower one by one. This method was not only time-consuming, but also extremely laborious, limiting the ability to expand production. Today, modern cotton farms use powerful machinery to harvest thousands of acres of cotton quickly. The two main types of harvesting machines are cotton pickers and cotton strippers. Cotton pickers are designed with specially designed rotating shafts that gently separate the cotton fibers from the plant without damaging the rest of the cotton bush. This method is especially effective in fields with evenly spaced, fully mature cotton plants, resulting in cleaner cotton with fewer impurities. Meanwhile, cotton strippers are more powerful, collecting cotton, leaves, stems, and other plant debris. Although this method is faster, it requires more thorough cleaning to separate the cotton from unwanted impurities. Thanks to modern technology, today's harvesters are equipped with GPS systems and precision agriculture technology, which optimize harvesting patterns, reduce fuel consumption, and ensure maximum efficiency. After After harvesting, some machines compress the cotton into large bales weighing about 500 pounds, which are waterproofed and tagged with identification codes for easy tracking during transportation. These bales are then transported to the cotton gin where processing begins. At the cotton gin, the raw cotton begins its transformation. The first step is to fluff the cotton fibers in preparation for the ginning process. The cotton is then fed into a system of high-speed saws or rollers, which gently but effectively separate the cotton fibers from the seeds. The cotton seeds are not wasted, but are collected for pressing into cotton oil or as animal feed. After ginning, the cotton fibers are thoroughly cleaned to remove any remaining dirt, leaves, and stems, ensuring that only the purest cotton fibers are used in the next production process. After cleaning, the cotton fibers are pressed into large bales, which are then carefully wrapped and transported to textile mills. Here, the cotton undergoes a process called carding, which arranges the fibers into long, thin strips in preparation for spinning. These fibers are then drawn and twisted using high-speed spinning machines, forming a strong thread. This thread can be dyed, woven, or knitted to create a variety of fabrics for a variety of purposes, from fashion clothing to industrial and medical products. Before entering the harvesting and processing stages, cotton plants must go through a careful and meticulous cultivation process to ensure high yields. Planting usually takes place in the spring when favorable weather conditions allow the seeds to germinate quickly. Farmers use seed planters to arrange the seeds in neat rows, optimizing space for growth. In the following months, the seedlings gradually develop into green shrubs, absorbing sunlight to generate energy for their growth process. Cotton is a resilient crop, well adapted to warm climates and capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions. However, to achieve a bountiful harvest, farmers must closely manage irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. Spraying pesticides must also be done at the right time and in the correct dosage to effectively control pests without compromising cotton quality. This ensures healthy plant growth and maximizes yield. When properly cared for, cotton plants will begin to flower, which will then fade and develop into bolls containing soft white cotton fibers. This is a sign that the cotton is ripe and ready to be harvested, marking an important stage in the cotton fiber production process. In addition to its important role in the textile industry, cotton is a pillar of the U.S. agricultural economy, creating hundreds of thousands of jobs and contributing billions of dollars each year. The U.S. is also one of the world's largest cotton exporters, providing high-quality raw materials for the global textile industry. Since the Industrial Revolution, cotton has maintained its economic value and is increasingly being produced sustainably. The journey of cotton is a testament to human creativity combined with modern technology. The process combines traditional techniques with advanced machinery to make the most of this important natural fiber. What do you think about the process of growing, harvesting, and processing cotton? What surprised you the most? Leave your comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to watch other interesting agricultural documentaries.